Every great brand begins with a problem, but very few begin with a problem this real and this personal. This is the story of how a dermatologist's everyday problem became a solution for thousands, and how we, as a boutique agency, transformed that struggle into a brand called Twacha Bazaar. Most people think dermatologists only see big cases, but the big part of their day isn't diagnosis, it's continuity. Patients who have already been diagnosed, who knows what to use, still come to the clinic repeatedly, not for consultancy, not for checkups, but the creams and treatments they want is not available anywhere else. No medical store carries them, online listings are outdated or missing, brands are inconsistent, and patients rely entirely on dermatologists to access the right products. For years, the doctors saw the same inconsistent cycle. Patients coming again and again to buy just the cream. People traveling long distances. Many skipping their treatments because the products are inaccessible. New patients are unable to find the right solutions. In dermatology, consistency is everything. And if the patient misses weeks of product usage, the treatment collapses. One day the doctor told us something that stayed with us.
My patients lose results just because they cannot find the products. This shouldn't happen.
That single sentence became the foundation of this project. The doctor didn't want an e-commerce website. He wanted accessibility. He wanted a place where all dermatologist-approved products are available. A place patients can trust. A system where even non-patients can find accurate skincare solutions. And a platform that removes dependency on physical clinic visits. This wasn't about selling, it was about continuity of care. And that's the difference between a commercial e-commerce website and Twacha Bazaar, which was created as an extension of medical practice. As a boutique agency, we understand the responsibility, the emotional weight, and the opportunity to build something meaningful. We weren't building an online store, we were creating a bridge between the patient and the dermatologist. This is the part no one talks about. Most agencies would have taken a template, added products, and launched a website. That's not how medical e-commerce works. And that's not how boutique agencies operate. Every specialist in our team, branding, UX, UI, tech, treats each project as a craft, not a task. This project needed sensitivity, medical awareness, critical thinking, user psychology, clean design, zero friction, and all of the above, building trust. Medical brands cannot afford even a single mistake. A wrong color can create distress. A poorly placed button can confuse a patient, and even a small category change can misguide people with a skin tone issues. To do this right, we have to slow down, understand deeper, question every choice, and create something that the client can trust as much as his own clinic. Twacha means skin and Bazaar means marketplace. But this brand is neither a typical skin brand nor a marketplace. It was a digital clinic created to make dermatologist-approved product accessible, give clarity instead of confusion, and provide trustworthy skincare solutions in a world full of misinformation. Twacha Bazaar was born not from a business pitch, but for the empathy of a doctor towards his patients, and that shaped everything we did next. Most people watching this video, whether agency owner, business owner, dermatologist or patients, will relate to one fundamental idea. When a brand is built with a real problem, it becomes powerful. But when a specialist builds that brand with an intention, it becomes unforgettable. Twacha Bazaar wasn't building in a boardroom. It was building with experience, struggle, compassion, and precision. And this sets to the tone of what's coming next. This is not the story of a website. This is a story of building a medical-grade ecosystem from scratch. Twacha Bazaar didn't begin with a sale. It began with a patient who couldn't find a cream. And that's what makes this brand different. In the upcoming videos, we will be taking you on a journey on how a brand is built from scratch by a boutique agency. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel to get a regular updates on the series The Digital Journey of a Dermatologist, from clinic to clicks.